Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check if your iPhone is original and real. Now, on your iPhone, first, we're going to take your finger and swipe down and type in settings. We need to get to your settings. So at the top left, tap on the settings app. Scroll down, tap on general. Tap on about at the top. First, we're going to use the serial number. So next to the serial number, press and hold on the serial number. Tap copy. Exit out of the settings app and open up Safari or Google Chrome. Type in check Apple warranty. Again, check Apple warranty. Tap on checkcoverage.apple.com. Scroll down a bit, and next to enter serial number, tap and hold, and hit paste. Now we're going to hit submit. You can see it finds this iPhone, indicating that it is in Apple's system with the correct serial number and the correct purchase date and the correct iPhone. That's the first way that we can tell if it is a real iPhone. But there are other ways as well. Let's exit out of Safari and swipe down to open up the settings app again. From here, you can see model number. Take note of what the model number starts with. In my case, it starts with an M. After you've noted what the model number starts with, you can refer back to this chart. You can see a model number that starts with M is new, original, new device. If the model number starts with F, it is a refurbished device. If the model number starts with N, it's a replacement device. And if the model number starts with P, it's a personalized device. The third way that we can check to see if it is a real iPhone is to use your phone app. Hop out of here and tap on the phone or calling app. Tap on the keypad at the bottom right. Dial *#06 and then another pound. You can see it pops up with your EID and IMEI. Check this IMEI number, specifically the last 4 digits. In my case, it's 3966. Exit out of here and go back to your settings. So swipe down, tap on settings, and check within the about section still, if you scroll down, to make sure that IMEI under the SIM card matches the IMEI that you just dialed. By going through all of these steps, if all 3 of those check out, you have a real and original iPhone. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.